Rob has, you can see that he has like a lot of experience in presentation. He can set up interactive, interesting presentation. He kept like the audience involved like all the time. They were interesting workshop. They were specific and factual based. Challenges that we currently face in our organization, in our day-to-day job. We identify all of them, we work through them, we thought about solution, troubleshootings, and then how we integrate all this challenge using AI tools.
Rob did an amazing job at explaining all of that and creating interaction with the rest of the people. Really enjoyed that.
In fact, it's highly needed and highly insightful workshop. Not only from topic selection point of view, but the way how it is managed, how it provides methodology to apply IE and give broader perspective what IE and machine learning is and is not. Because this workshop is absolutely the must first step for IE and machine learning introduction.
I particularly liked this workshop because it gives you quite a comprehensive outlook in the world of artificial intelligence. And nowadays we can feel ourselves like overwhelmed with all this variety which we can see on the market, and in order to choose the right one and to understand for which business topic you need to choose which solution, this workshop will be the perfect place to be. I liked the exchange on the similar challenges and similar topics with experts from other industries. So overall, I am very happy with this day and very happy with my experience with this workshop.